Hello kids! Welcome to Simple Colors Studio. Today we will learn 2D shapes. First I am drawing diamond. Next shape is a crinkle. Now I am drawing a triangle. Let's draw a very lovely heart here, like this. Now I am drawing a score. Can you draw a score? Last shape I am drawing is a hexagon. Fantastic! Now I am making this drawing more visible. Let's paint all the shapes with lovely colors. Orange. I am painting diamond with orange color. Next color is green. I am painting circle with green. Dark blue. Let's paint triangle with dark blue color. I am painting heart with red color. Light blue. I am painting square with light blue color. Yellow. Hexagon is in yellow color. Awesome! Let's repeat. Diamond, circle, triangle, heart, square, hexagon. If you like the video, please press like button and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video.